Imagine this. You and your friends take a math test. Some scored low, some scored really high. Most are somewhere in between. Now here's the question. How do you quickly understand the entire class performance in just one glance? Not by looking at 30 numbers, but using something powerful. Today I'm going to show you how box and whisker plots can summarize data beautifully. A box and whisker plot is a visual way to represent data. Instead of showing every number, it shows the smallest value, the largest value, and how the data is spread in between. Think of it like a summary snapshot of data. Let's take an example. Test scores of students 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22. Step 1. Arrange the data. Here the data is already arranged. Now find the median. Median is equal to middle value. Since we have 9 numbers, the fifth number is the median, which is equal to 12. Find quartiles. Now we split the data into two parts. Left side 5, 7, 8, 10. Right side 15, 18, 20, 22. Median of left side Q1 is equal to 7.5. Median of right side Q3 is equal to 19. Find minimum and maximum. Minimum is equal to 5. Maximum is equal to 22. Now we plot. Draw a number line. Mark 5, 7.5, 12, 19, 22. Draw a box from Q1 to Q3. Draw a line inside the box at the median. Extend lines, whiskers to minimum and maximum. Boom! You've created a box and a whisker plot. Now comes the most important part. Understanding the data. The box shows where most values lie. The median shows the center. The spread tells us variability. For example, if one side is longer, data is skewed. Box plots are used in comparing student performance, analyzing salaries, understanding sports statistics. Instead of raw numbers, we get clarity instantly. So today you have learned what a box and whisker plot is, how to construct it, how to interpret it. But here's something to think about. Are you just reading data or actually understanding it? That's the real math. I'm Anusmita Kumar, founder Jigyasa Learning, Math Learning Specialist. I post every Sunday and Tuesday. You want your child to move from fear of math to I enjoy maths. Subscribe for more.